Hello everyone, today we are doing the unboxing of Cubot X30, so let's get it on.
Here we have the Cubot X30 box, plain box. Let's look at the specs into the other side. We have here a 6.4 inches Full HD Plus screen with a punch-hole camera, a clean Android 10 experience, as usual in the Cubot smartphones. It is powered by an octa-core chipset from Mediatek Helio P60, and it has a 48 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. It is all powered by a 4200 mAh battery. So, all in, it's pretty good and solid specs. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Let me take this off and see the smartphone. Okay, here it is, Cubot X30. So let me take it. I think it comes with a pre-installed protection, it seems. Okay. It's not heavy. Here is the 5-module camera, the fingerprint scanner. I think I'll put it here for now. Let's see what's inside. Here we have a thank you card. Thank you very much, Cubot. And here we have some more documents. Compliance regulation and a quick start guide. You can use it to set up your smartphone or not. Who cares? Here we have the charger, I think. Yes, I think it's a simple charger, maybe a fast charger. Let's see. A USB Type-C cable, it seems. Yes, well done, Cubot. It's an upgrade from older models. Here we have the charger. Yes, it's a simple fast charger. It's good enough. Here we have the pin to take off your SIM card or memory card. Okay, let's put this here, and at last we shall see the X30 in all its beauty and style. Let me take this off protective case. It's a transparent one. Well done, Cubot. It seems to be of good quality, and it won't be easy to find one. So let's take the protective case. Oh, it's not well put, but it will have to do. Let's turn it on. Pretty bright. An excellent screen, no doubt. Let's see the other side, the fingerprint scanner, side fingerprint scanner, the 5-camera module. Okay, it's pretty. Cubot sent me the blue color one. I think there is other 2 colors, green and black. Here we have the speaker grill and a microphone grill, the selfie camera. It has a very good build quality. It's very soft in the hand. The blue color, very nice. So that's about it. Now I will test it for some days and return with a full review. So let's see you again. Bye!